Hello students, in the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities, let's solve exercise 6.5 in this video. First, let's learn what is identities. An identity is an equality which is true for every value of the variables, but an equation is true only for some of the values of the variables. So if it is an identity, it is like you can use for any of the value for the variables. But if it is an equation, it is not true for all values of the variables. Okay, so an equation is not an identity. So if you see in this example, x square is equal to 1 is valid for x is 1. Okay, if I put x value as 1, then 1 square is equal to 1. That is correct. But it is not true if x is 2. Suppose if I am giving value of x is 2, then x square is 4. Okay, that is 2 square. That you will get it as 4. 4 is not equal to 1. So it is an equation and not an identity. Okay. So identity, some of the standard identities, let's learn here. A plus b the whole square. Okay, this is the first identity we are learning. So a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Actually, how this formal identity is derived means it is a plus b, that we are multiplying for 2 times, that is a plus b into a plus b. So if you do, you will get the resultant as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if whatever be the value of a or b, this identity is going to be useful for you to find the result. Okay, then a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. X plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then next identity, a plus b plus c the whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. These identities are useful in carrying out squares and products of algebraic expressions. They give alternate method to calculate the product of numbers. So with this, let's solve the exercise problems. First problem, use a suitable identity to get each of the following product. So first subdivision in this is x plus 3 into x plus 3. So it is multiplied for 2 times. X plus 3, both are x plus 3 only. It is multiplied for 2 times. That means it is x plus 3 the whole square. Okay. Square can be understood like this, that it is multiplied. Okay. So this is of the form that identity, that is a plus b the whole square. Okay. So the full identity you should write in the notebook. And you have to see, okay, what is a. So a here it is x and b here it is 3. Okay. So you can write the given problem as like this. X plus 3 the whole square equal to x square plus 3 square plus 2 into x into 3. Understood? Just you are substituting in the a, b values in the identity. Okay. So x is a. So in place of a you write x. In place of b you write 3. Okay. So after simplifying, x square is x square only. 3 square is 9. And 2 into x into 3. Okay. 2 into, so which is numbers here. So 2 and 3 are the numbers. So that you multiply. So you will get 2 into 3 as 6. And x is a variable. So write as such. So 6x you will get it. Okay. That's all. Then next problem. 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5. So very similar problem. Just you have to find out it is of which identity, which form it is. Okay. Here you have plus in between. So we have to use the identity a plus b the whole square. Okay. Equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in the place of a, here in this problem we are having 2y. In the place of b we are having 5. So substitute in the identity. So you will get 2y the whole square plus 5 square plus 2 into 2y into 5. Okay, now simplify. 2y whole square. So 2 square is 4. Y square is y square. Okay, so 4y square you will get. Then 5 square is 25. Then 2 into 2y into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. And one variable you have, that is y. So 20y. It's the answer. Then third subdivision, 2a minus 7, 2a into 2a in minus 7. So here what we see, here we can see that you have minus sign. 2a minus 7 the whole square. So this is of the form a minus b the whole square. So a minus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2b square minus 2ab. So here a is 2a and b is 7. So in place of a you have to put 2a and in place of b 7. Okay. So 2a square plus 7 square minus 2 into 2a into 7. Okay. So 2 square is 4. Then a square you will get a square. Then 7 square is 49 and minus sign you have here. So first itself write minus sign, then multiply the numbers. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 7s are 28 and one variable you have, that is a. So 28a you will get it here. Next one, a square plus b square into minus a square plus b square. So don't think that y minus a square. So it's just for confusing you, it is given like that. So if you rearrange, you can write it like this. B square plus a square. So it is in plus, no problem if you change the place also. Okay. And here b square, that is in plus. So that I am writing in first and minus a square I am writing it secondly. Okay. So now this is of which identity form? Okay, this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so that will be equal to a square minus b square. So we have to, after comparing, we get a. Here a is a square and b is b square. Okay, a is b square and b is a square. So now putting in the identity, you will get b square the whole square minus a square the whole square. So when you have power and one more power for power, so what you have to do, you have to multiply those two. Okay, so b square into b square, that is b to the power of 4. Then a square into a square, it is a to the power of 4. So it's the answer. Then 6x minus 7, then 6x plus 7. So this is also same identity only, a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So a is 6x and b is 7. So put it in the identity, you will get 6x the whole square minus 7 square. So 6 square is 36 and x square. Okay, 36x square minus 49. Then second problem, using the identity x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus ab plus a plus b into x plus ab. So with this identity we have to find out the product of the given problem. So x plus 3 into x plus 7. So here this is of this form. They in the question itself they are given the identities. So simply you have to substitute in that and you have to find out the product. Okay, using the identity. So write that identity. Then you have to write what is what. Okay, x is x only, a is 3 and b is 7. Now put it in the identity carefully. Okay, so x square plus a plus b, that is 3 plus 7 into x plus ab, that is a into b you have to do. So 3 7s are 21 I am getting. Okay, so 3 plus 7 is 10 here. So that's the answer. Then this also same identity under the same problem only. So you have to write the identity and what is x? X is 4x and a is 5 and b is 1. Okay, put it in the identity. So 4x the whole square. So after substituting, simplify. So 4x the whole square. So 4x, 4 square you will get 16. So 16x square plus 5 plus 1. Okay, that is 6 and already x value is 4x here. So that is only outside 4x here. Then 5 into 1, that is simply 5. Then this one alone you have to multiply. So 4 into 6 is 24. Okay, that's a final product value we will get. Then 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1. So this also using the same identity you have to name everything. So x is 4x, then a is 5 and b is minus 1. Here you have minus sign, so you have to take with the sign, so it is minus 1. Now put it in the formula. Okay, so 4x square, that you will get it as 16x square, then 5 into minus 1. Okay, sorry, 5 plus minus 1. So 5 minus 1 you will get 4. Okay, and x value is 4x. That's why it is outside 4x. Okay, then 5 into minus 1. So minus 5 you will get here. So when you get minus sign, so write it carefully with the sign. So 4 into 4 you will get 16x minus 5. Then 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5. Here also same identity. So x is 2a square and a is 9 and b is 5. So put it in the identity. Okay, 2a square the whole square. So if you make square of this, so 2 square is 4 you will get. A square to the power of square, that is you will get a to the power of 4. Okay, then 9 plus 5, that is 14. And what is a here x value? X value is 2a square. So that is outside here. Okay, then 9 into 5 is 45. Now multiply 14 and 2. So then you will get the final product value. So 4a to the power of 4 plus 14 into 2 is 28. 28a square plus 45. The next problem, xyz minus 4 into xyz minus 2. So using the identity, you can name x as xyz and a is minus 4, b is minus 2. So put it in the formula, you will get like this, xyz the whole power 2. So for everything you are doing squaring. So x square, y square, z square you will get. Okay. Minus 4, minus 2, both are in minus, and so what you should do, you should put the minus sign and add the numbers. So you will get minus 6, so into xyz. So xyz you will write here, and minus 4 into minus 2, you will, when 2 minus is multiplied, you will get plus 8 you will get. Okay. Then find the following squares by using the identities. So just you have to find out the square, b minus 7 the whole square. So this is of the form a minus b the whole square. So here it is a is b and b is 7. So put it in the those a, b values in the identity formula. Okay, so b square plus 7 square minus 2 into b into 7. So 7 square is 49. Okay, b square only you will get 49 you will get for 7 square. Then minus sign put there, that same. Then 2 into b into 7. So b is a variable, right, as such. 2 into 7 is 14. So you will get like this. So the remaining problems I will continue in the next video. Thank you, children.